Welcome everybody, it's Bobby Two Pots Breaks on a Wednesday. It is June the 14th. We're breaking Bomb Box Jerseys plus Combo Series. It is a one box break from Series 8. We randomed up our 35 box numbers. First envelope of our new series. We got number 7, random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized everybody. Gave you all a chance to trade. No one's trading, no. So here we go. Let's see what we're going to start off with in our first envelope, folks. Bam! Well, but going to be the Slipknot Stone Sour slot, guys, with the Corey Taylor Funko Pop. Bam! Well, we're going to start off something a little different on the first one. The Dak Prescott Hydro Shut Authentic, guys. That is going to Dallas. That is it for that envelope, guys. The third hit is coming out of the qualifiers. Again, 12 of the boxes do have an extra bonus hit. But the third qualifier is the Yankees spot. Wow, Edholm, man, you've been doing all right, bud. Well, you've been entering lately, Joe. You've been doing pretty damn good there. Wow, and then it figures Sloan going to take the Corey Taylor, guys. Run backs. Let's with the Slipknots. So there is your Corey Taylor Beckett Witness or Beckett hologram on that. It's a little hard to see the Hydro because of my light, bud. It sort of glares it out. But she is a Hydro, bud. Authentic Beckett and Dak hologram on it. Like I said, man, my dim light sort of bleaches it out a little bit. Okay, it's not a Gigantor box. Still a nice one for you. Still about a $400 box. Alright, so that is gonna wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.